See friends, this book is packed very nicely, and this book comes in two sets. You can see this first volume and second volume of class 12 modern ABC of chemistry. So let's you will not get this volume this you will have to buy these two volumes together. You will not get separately these two books. See, this is first part and this is second part, and the author of this book is Dr. S.P. Jauhar. See this. See friends, this is part 1, and you will get part 1 and part 2 in combined at rupees 1370, and this book is for NCERT and CBSE. This book covers NCERT and CBSE both syllabus, and you can see this. See, in this book, in first page only you will get periodic table, and after that here are the constants. Here are the constants of physics which is used in physics, and here are Greek letters. Now these are the theories of this part 12th whole syllabus, and in part 1 you will get these chapters. Here you will get additional questions and mock test also. And see, it's our first chapter, solid states. Page is okay. So friend, this is part 2, and this all chapters are covered in this volume part 2, and you will just get this get mock test in this, and hint solution, unit practice test, these all. And here is our first chapter. First chapter of this part 2. Printing is okay, and pages are also. See guys, this book is very nice, and you can read this book. This is a good book for class 12th, and if you are in 11, you can take 11th this book, modern ABC of chemistry of class 11th, and this book is nice. You can see all theories, and all topics are well covered in this book. You will be able to understand easily. English is very simple in this book, and diagrams are also see, you can see how they are shown in this book. So I will prefer you to read this book and see how it is, and you can use NCERT. You can see NCERT in the from all the syllabus are covered in this book, and there is see, this book has got a prize also, award of excellent in book production. This